Ayun.
Don't miss the
Siyak.
feminist thing.
Siyak.
Forward Feminist. Sundays at 6:30 on SABC2. Brought to you by Soul City
Pep
Institute
home.
and SABC Education.
Pep home.
Pep home. We're going to that stuff.
Get the stuff.
Yeah.
Right on.
Hey Saweeties, and welcome back to Kiki Creates. I am Kiki and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome back, loves, to my returning subscribers, my regulars, my day ones. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for sticking by me, watching my videos, liking, commenting. Love you guys to bits and pieces. And to any viewers that are going to be new with this particular video, pretty please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button. Help me get to 500 because we're on the road to 500 right now. So excited about that, so keen for that. So please just support a girl, okay? We got new nails, what do you mean? I gotta show you. Anyway, today I did my favorite thing again. Very excited about this video because it's another pep home haul. It's not a huge haul. Oh, it's heavy. It's not a huge haul. I mean, it's not as big as the last time, but I was due for some home decor shopping and I thought, let me just make it another pep home haul because people really did enjoy that other one. It literally is hitting numbers that the other videos aren't hitting, but we don't mind, it's fine. If you want to watch and maybe come back later, maybe subscribe later, that's fine. But we would like you to subscribe now though, because it's like, just hit that button. Anyway, let's jump right into it. I don't have anything more to say other than grab a drink. Grab a whiskey, chop, grab a wine, because you know we're gonna drink, chop. Clink, clink, babies. Let's get right into it. First things first, you gotta be a man. Listen, this baby is going for 17.99 Rand. So my story with not buying this thing as soon as I moved in was because I was trying to be a bougie girl, trying to look for a particular toilet brush that I saw at this other store, because like in my head, everything that I buy, I'm always thinking, okay, this is how I want this particular room to look like. So I want each element to kind of match the idea that I have in my head, but it was time. I haven't been able to get that other brush because it's been out of stock. So 17.99, like so right until I get the one that I want. And then I got this baby. So this sweetie pie here was 19.99 Rand. I don't know if you can see it or not. So what I'm gonna use for this is I actually want it to be black. I don't know if you guys can see. I want it to be black, but I mean, like, this gray can work. This is gonna be to keep my dishwashing liquid and my hand cream when I'm done washing my dish, or whatever. like, but it's by the sink for my dishes. That's the plan for it. Plans change. That's all I'm saying. And then I got this cutie over here. So this baby was going for 39.99 Rand. I got this. This is kind of obvious for my shower stuff. And it's not going to be able to be hung in the shower because I don't have a two-hanger thing in the shower, but it's going to be on the towel bar. I hope you guys can see, child. It's my camera. Anyway, what other small miscellaneous thing did I get? Oh, and I got this little dishcloth, dish rag. This baby was going for 19.99 Rand. I hope you guys can see. So I'm not going to use this. So I'm very much in love with these other ones that I saw at Zara. Oh girl, I'm not about to buy a washcloth for 300 Rand. So this is just going to be to decorate my little stove. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do with that. And then I got, my daughter thinks this is hers, but yeah, this is a waterproof, fashionable design, one size fits all shower cap. And this was going for 19.99 Rand. I hope you guys can see, it's beautiful. I love this satin, finished satin look thing. I really love that. I bought one so long, I'm gonna see how it works and then I'll definitely go back for more of these babies. Okay, so this is something that my late mother taught me about, pine gel. It makes your house smell so nice, look so clean for so long. I love this baby girl. It doesn't have a price on it now, but I think it was 24.99. It will clean your towels spotless. Trust me, I'm plugging you, son. 24.99 for that. And I got soap. Okay guys, I haven't really unpacked this, and I got chickpeas. What it is. And then I decided to get more of these frames. If you watched my previous haul, you'll see that I got 3 of these frames. I got 2 more because I figured out what I'm going to do with them. They're going to go in my bathroom, and I don't know if I want 3 or 4, but I think I want 3 lined up, black, white, black, or white, black, white. So that's why I had to go get a black one. I think I got, yeah, 1 black, 1 white to match the other ones that I bought. And then there's this thing that I bought, babes. This thing was it doesn't have any sisters or brothers, but it was on clearance and it was so beautiful. Like, no sister, no brother, no cousin, but I just thought, whatever, man. It's super cute. It's not far from the other ones that I bought in my previous haul. This was going for 9.99 Rand. I hope you can see that. Beautiful for my life. Like, honestly, I think I'm obsessed with these. I don't know if it's a new style of crockery. Like, angazi. I'm just obsessed, okay? I'm just super obsessed. 9.99. What do you even mean? Like, can you just be serious about that, child? Because 9.99. Go to Pep, man. Cool. And then the next thing I got, those blue little toilet flushy things. No one cares. Gum. Everyone cares about gum. And then I got this baby. So my plan for this little sweetheart here is that I wanted to form part of my coffee table decoration. Decor, honey. Coffee table decoration. I actually want to paint it black or white, depending on my mood, but this little sweetheart was going for 21.99 Rand. I hope you guys can see that. So cute even on its own. It's like a little fishbowl looking thing. I don't have a fish though. When I did have a fish, it died, so I'm not gonna do that to myself. Just gonna use this as coffee table decoration. I'm gonna figure out a way it's gonna be a part of my living room transformation when my couch and everything come in. So be on the lookout, child. So, and my last item, I think this is my last item, and obviously my most favorite one of all. Should I show you, chat? So this is also going to form part of my coffee table decoration. I'm in love. Have you ever heard of Umtu being in love? Look at this baby. It's so heavy. It's so beautiful. It's gonna, oh, I can't wait for you guys to see it. And honestly, this is 50 Rand and it's not even marked down. Like, that is the price for it. Like, it's gonna be my new boyfriend. Hi, baby. I can't wait to go sleep tonight. Anyway, in love with this cutie. In love with this cutie. I love him so much. Gonna be perfect for my single life. So yeah, that is my haul. I honestly, there was nothing at Pep Home today. Absolutely nothing. I went around that store 3 times trying to get other finds or other things that I could buy, but it literally was a desert today. I don't know if it's gonna be like a new season coming in where they bring new stuff, or people just already took everything. There was nothing, but it's fine, yes, because it's giving me time to actually continue jotting down notes on how I want each room to look and like plan out each of the rooms to know exactly what it is that, because I buy stuff and I put them in the cupboard, so I also need to do like an inventory check to see what it is that I have, what it is that I don't have. And once all the big pieces come into the house, I can then start putting stuff together the way that they're supposed to be. So yeah, that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Do you want to come say bye, Ine? Come say bye to the people. She's been laughing at me the whole time, sitting there the whole time. Say hi, YouTube. And bye, YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get to 500, kids. Chop chops, chop chops. Let's get to 500. It's a road to 500. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys.